I lost low light priority. Not on my camera anymore. I just turned off PRO, Pro. That gets me thinking now. If I now got Pro off, does my transmitter now take over because the gain is no longer, it's disabled? -1 dB transmitter. Test 1, 2, 3. We're going to have to do a -12 dB. Test 1, 2, 3. Put it in the next clip. Test 1, 2, 3. -12 dB. PRO on. Test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. -12 dB. PRO off. Pro is back on. Now, yeah. So we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, that email says it all. Puts a smile on my face. Thank you. Don't have to pay triple that price. Am I gonna have to factory reset you? Maybe my settings are just not right and I have to up the ISO to 6400. No, because the maximum ISO is now 100 through 12,800. And that gives me identical or near as just the shot prior where I said, do I have to up it to 6,400? So now it works out fine. But what's going to happen? Going to create some, you got it, video noise. But the video noise is lowered down. So ISO gives you brightness level and this and that, but it's going to choose what is right for the camera. If I set it to 32, it's only going to go as high as 32 when it needs it. And we all know 32 is not enough for this scene shot. I did a shot and I did one of these and I walked around. The camera didn't track me. And I did it with another camera and it tracked me to a certain extent because low light and a light behind. Didn't love it. And you had to be off of the highest quality, be on battery saver to get the shot. Now I'm happy what I got at a lot less of a price. And that's good. Now, I'm gonna have to go get some bolts and wing nuts. And I'm thinking nylon than plastic. I'm thinking nylon than metal. I know it's got to be galvanized, and that's the way to go. A lot of cramming is happening. I love doing this, and I love doing that. But there ain't much love out there in this. But maybe more love doing that. Yeah, I got to get that list together and hardware that I need. 2x4x12 outdoor wood, that's going to be quite expensive, pretty tall. That means I got 4 feet to put down. 10mm bolts, about 1.5 inches. They don't have to be more than that. 1.25 inches would do just fine. Wing nuts, 10mm. Bring my grinder and see if I can get a cement cutter. Yeah, gotta make sure I get the right wheel, the right part. Potting mix, yeah, not gonna be today, but that's gotta be on the list. Daplatinas, oh yeah. So you see, the list can be big, go on and on and on, just like my other video of what I want in gear. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot, filmed a lot. I got a lot to do today. Oh yeah, man. I just been fed. I just been given. I just been done. And on that note, I'm out of here by the time I hit the end of the fence. Later.